The Hong Kong Special Administrative Region government said Tuesday that the fresh food supply from the mainland has gradually bounced back. Hong Kong is experiencing the fifth wave of COVID-19 infections, which has affected cross-border transport, causing delays in supplying goods to Hong Kong, as well as higher vegetable prices. The Hong Kong and Macau Affairs Office of the State Council has been actively coordinating with the Guangdong provincial government to ensure the supply of vegetables, fresh food and other daily necessities to Hong Kong. According to information from Hong Kong's Agriculture, Fisheries and Conservation Department and Vegetable Marketing Organization Wholesale Markets, the throughput volume of the supply of vegetables from the mainland stood at 714,000 kilograms on Monday, which was around 70% of a normal day's volume. Meanwhile, the supply of chilled poultry and meat imported on Monday was around 60% of a normal day, and will gradually increase when the control points operation returns to normal. The overall wholesale price has slightly dropped, and it is anticipated the overall supply of vegetables will return to a stable level.